Welcome to AI Unraveled, demystifying frequently asked questions on artificial intelligence, the podcast where we dive deep into the latest AI trends. Join us as we explore groundbreaking research, innovative applications, and emerging technologies that are pushing the boundaries of AI. From ChatGPT to the recent merger of Google Brain and DeepMind, we will keep you updated on the ever-evolving AI landscape. Get ready to unravel the mysteries of AI with us. In today's episode, we'll cover the following topics: Access Code Interpreter plugin with ChatGPT+, OpenAI introducing Code Interpreter plugin for ChatGPT+, 8 trends and predictions for the future of AI, the impact of AI on employment and its potential benefits, AI becoming a part of everyday life and its associated risks, Inflection AI's plan to build a $1 billion supercomputing cluster, the first news conference with humanoid AI robots, the concept of humanity being an AI experiment on Earth, the importance of explainable AI and the need for US AI regulations, AI tools using Lightning Network, various AI developments, and the use of the Wondercraft AI platform for podcasting. To access the Code Interpreter plugin in ChatGPT, the first step is to have a ChatGPT Plus subscription. If you're not already subscribed, you can sign up on OpenAI's website. Once you have access, you can move on to the next step. The Code Interpreter plugin allows you to directly upload various types of data into the chat. It supports tabular data like Excel or CSV files, images, videos, PDFs, and more. Simply upload your file and proceed to the next step. After uploading your dataset, it's important to check if any cleaning is required. This could involve handling missing values, errors, or outliers that might affect your analysis later on. Take the necessary steps to clean the data by removing or replacing missing values and excluding any outliers. Now it's time for data analysis. The Code Interpreter runs Python code in the backend, which is a powerful language for data analytics. Using simple English prompts, the plugin can write and perform various analyses for you. For example, you could ask it to analyze the distribution of a specific column and provide summary statistics, such as the mean, median, and standard deviation. Python's data visualization capabilities are also available through the Code Interpreter. You can generate plots for your data by specifying the type of plot, the column to be plotted, and even the color theme. For example, you could generate a bar plot for a particular column with a blue color theme. If you're interested in machine learning, you can utilize the Code Interpreter to build and train models, such as linear regression or classification on your data. These models can help you make better decisions or predict future data. For instance, you could build a linear regression model to predict a target variable based on certain feature variables. Finally, once you're done with the analysis and modeling, you can download your cleaned and processed dataset for further use. OpenAI's ChatGPT has been making waves in the tech community as an AI-powered chatbot. But now, OpenAI has taken a significant leap forward. They've introduced an in-house Code Interpreter plugin exclusively for ChatGPT Plus subscribers. This plugin is a game changer, transforming ChatGPT from a simple chatbot into a powerful tool with expanded capabilities. Let's dive into how this new feature will impact developers and data scientists. With the Code Interpreter plugin, ChatGPT Plus subscribers get access to advanced features and capabilities. They can perform data analysis, create charts, manage files, do math calculations, and even execute code. This expanded functionality opens up exciting possibilities for data science applications and empowers subscribers to seamlessly perform complex tasks. For data scientists and developers, ChatGPT becomes a valuable tool with the Code Interpreter plugin. They can analyze datasets, generate insightful visualizations, and manipulate data right within the ChatGPT environment. Running code directly in ChatGPT provides a convenient platform for experimenting with algorithms, testing code snippets, and refining data analysis techniques. The Code Interpreter plugin streamlines the development process by providing an in-house feature. Developers can write and test code within the same environment, eliminating the need to switch between different tools or interfaces. This saves time, enhances productivity, and offers a seamless coding experience. Developers also benefit from real-time feedback and error identification directly within ChatGPT. Debugging and testing code become more efficient, allowing for quick iteration and improvement without the hassle of switching tools or environments. This fosters faster prototyping, experimentation, and overall code quality. Beyond code interpretation, ChatGPT also offers valuable information and resources on chatbot development, natural language processing, and machine learning. This knowledge empowers businesses and individuals interested in leveraging chatbots for customer service or operational improvements. Overall, OpenAI's Code Interpreter plugin for ChatGPT Plus subscribers is a significant milestone in chatbot evolution. It streamlines workflows, enhances productivity, and opens up new possibilities for data science. As developers and businesses embrace this innovation, we can expect exciting advancements in AI-driven technologies. In the next decade, there are several exciting trends and predictions that will shape the future of artificial intelligence, AI. One of these trends is reinforcement learning, which involves training AI systems to learn through trial and error. As algorithms become more sophisticated, we can expect AI systems to develop the ability to not only learn, but also to exponentially improve without explicit human intervention. This opens up possibilities for significant advancements in autonomous decision-making and problem-solving. Another area where AI is set to make a big impact is healthcare. Predictive analytics, machine learning algorithms, and computer vision can help in diagnosing diseases, personalizing treatment plans, and improving patient outcomes. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants can enhance patient engagement and expedite administrative processes. The integration of AI in healthcare has the potential to lead to more accurate diagnoses, cost savings, and improved access to quality care. Autonomous vehicles are also on the horizon. The autonomous vehicle industry has already made significant progress, and in the next decade, we are likely to witness their widespread adoption. AI technologies such as computer vision, deep learning, and sensor fusion will continue to improve the safety and efficiency of self-driving cars. Furthermore, AI will play a crucial role in cybersecurity. AI-driven cybersecurity systems can find and eliminate cyber threats by analyzing large volumes of data and detecting anomalies. This enables faster response times to minimize potential damage caused by breaches. However, there is also a concern about safeguarding the AI systems themselves, as similar technology can be used by both defenders and attackers. Overall, the future of AI holds immense potential and exciting possibilities. From reinforcement learning to healthcare advancements, autonomous vehicles to cybersecurity, we are on the brink of transformative changes in various industries. AI and employment is a hotly debated topic, with no clear consensus. According to a recent survey by Pew Research Center, nearly half of people believe that AI would outperform humans in assessing job applications. However, a significant majority, 71%, oppose using AI for final hiring decisions. While 62% foresee a significant impact of AI on the workforce in the next 2 decades, only 28% express personal concern about its effects. It's true that AI may replace certain jobs, but it is also expected to create new opportunities. We cannot solely rely on current AI tools such as ChatGPT for accuracy and context. Human intervention is still necessary to ensure correctness. For instance, if a company chooses to replace some writers with ChatGPT, it would also need to hire editors to carefully review the AI-generated content for coherence. AI's potential also extends to climate modeling and prediction. By analyzing vast amounts of climate data, AI can identify patterns and enhance the accuracy of climate models. This knowledge allows for better forecasting of natural disasters, extreme weather events, and long-term climate trends. Ultimately, it equips policymakers and communities to make informed decisions and develop effective climate action plans. In terms of energy optimization, AI proves invaluable. Machine learning algorithms analyze energy usage patterns, weather data, and grid information to improve energy distribution and storage. Smart grids powered by AI effectively balance supply and demand, minimize transmission losses, and seamlessly integrate renewable energy sources. This not only maximizes clean energy utilization, but also reduces greenhouse gas emissions and lessens dependence on fossil fuels. Additionally, AI can revolutionize resource management by optimizing allocation, minimizing waste, and improving sustainability. For instance, AI algorithms can predict water scarcity, optimize irrigation schedules, and identify leakages in water management. AI-powered systems can also optimize waste management, recycling, and circular economy practices, reducing resource consumption and promoting sustainability. While the potential benefits of AI are immense, it's crucial to address ethical considerations. Privacy, bias, fairness, and accountability must be prioritized. Industry leaders, policymakers, and researchers must collaborate to establish frameworks and guidelines that protect human rights and promote social well-being alongside innovation in AI. In conclusion, AI's impact on employment is still up for debate, but it is expected to create new opportunities. It can also enhance climate modeling, optimize energy consumption, and revolutionize resource management. However, ethical considerations are vital to ensure the responsible development and deployment of AI, safeguarding human rights and promoting social well-being in the process. Artificial intelligence, AI, has rapidly gone from being a distant concept to an integral part of our daily lives. Models like ChatGPT and DALL-E are now becoming familiar to us all. The progress made in AI capabilities is impressive, with machines getting better at seeing, reading, thinking, writing, and even creating. However, this advancement inevitably brings concerns. The more AI improves, the more risks and worries arise. It feels like with every step forward, there's a new danger to consider. People can easily envision negative outcomes, such as the potential threat of deepfakes undermining democracy, the increased vulnerability to cyber attacks, more cheating instead of learning in schools, the spread of misinformation, and the possibility of job displacement caused by machines. These risks should not be underestimated, and society must take them seriously. However, it's essential to remember that we have faced similar challenges in the past and successfully managed them. Major innovations have always brought new threats that required careful consideration and control. With rapid action and thoughtful risk management, we can do it again. In my latest Gates Notes post, the risks of AI are real but manageable. I delve into these risks and the ways we can address them. It's crucial to strike a balance between mitigating the negative consequences and reaping the rewards that AI has to offer. And I genuinely believe there are substantial rewards waiting if we navigate this path wisely. For more insights into my thoughts on AI, visit my blog now. So, there's a new player making waves in Silicon Valley. Inflection AI, a hot startup focused on generative AI, is ready to revolutionize the supercomputing world by creating their very own $1 billion supercomputing cluster. Their ultimate goal? To develop a personal AI for everyone through their own AI-powered assistant called Pi. Recent studies have shown that Pi can go toe-to-toe with other leading AI models like OpenAI's GPT-3, 5, and Google's 540B Palm model. To take things even further, Inflection AI plans to construct one of the largest AI training clusters in the world, boasting an impressive setup that includes a whopping 22,000 H100 NVIDIA GPUs and 700 racks of Intel Xeon CPUs. Just the GPUs alone would cost more than $850 million, with each H100 GPU retailing at a staggering $40,000. So with that kind of expenditure, it's estimated that the cluster's price tag will hit the $1 billion mark. Inflection AI recently concluded a funding round, securing a substantial $1.5 billion and achieving a company valuation of $4 billion. While this puts them in second place in terms of the amount raised, they're still quite a ways behind OpenAI, which has managed to raise an impressive $11.3 billion so far. Of their competitors, Anthropic comes closest in terms of funding with $1.5 billion, followed by Cohere with $445 million, Adept with $415 million, and Runway with $237 million. Exciting times ahead for Inflection AI as they aim to reshape the world of supercomputing and bring AI to the masses. So you won't believe what happened in Geneva last week. The AI for Good Global Summit took place, and it was mind-blowing. For For the first time ever, humanoid social robots were the stars of a news conference. Can you imagine that? Human reporters interviewing these robots like they were actual people. The event was hosted by the United Nations Technology Agency, and it was such a fascinating sight. These reporters got to ask the robots all sorts of questions, from discussing robot world leaders to the impact of AI in the workplace. It was a deep dive into the world of artificial intelligence and its potential. Now, here's why this story caught my attention. We often hear about AI being used to boost productivity or create all sorts of weird stuff, but this summit showed us something different. Some brilliant minds out there are working on creating humanoid AI robots that are incredibly close to being like us humans. And let me tell you, when you see the footage, it's pretty mind-boggling how advanced they've become. It's one thing to think about AI influencing our daily lives, like regulating traffic lights or even helping Paul McCartney compose the Beatles' final song. But when you start considering the possibility of these human-like bots walking around and interacting with us, it's a whole new level. I can't help but wonder if the developers behind these creations fully understand the implications of bringing such human-like AI into reality, or if they're just blindly pursuing their own ambitions. The truth is, nobody really knows. So here's something mind-boggling to ponder. Is humanity actually an experiment in artificial intelligence? Think about it for a moment. We are placed on this planet, floating in our own isolated petri dish, completely cut off from any other forms of life. It's like we're in quarantine, unable to be contaminated by anything beyond our controlled environment. Throughout the millennia, we have slowly progressed. We started with basic survival and eventually evolved to develop farming and civilizations. Then boom, the Industrial Revolution comes around in the 18th century, followed by the first flight in 1903. Finally, after relentless dedication, we break free from our petri dish in 1957 with Sputnik, and who can forget the moon landing in 1969? However, despite our hunger for exploration, our short lifespans prevent us from venturing much farther. Now, what if our lifespan is purposefully engineered to be short, trapping us within the confines of our solar system? Perhaps we are being studied much like how scientists observe lab rats across generations. As humanity, are we the advanced AI in this grand experiment? We are given some guidance on ethics and religion, but at the same time, we are granted the free will to create technology that could lead to our own destruction. It's like a test to see if we have the collective intelligence to save ourselves or if we'll succumb to greed and ignorance, burning ourselves out. Do you think factors like ethics and religion play a role in this experiment? And what happens when we have small glimpses of insight, like knowing the consequences of our actions on the environment, but continuing to harm it anyway? Now we're even taking the next step in our evolution by creating our own AI. The question is, when does this experiment reach its conclusion? And let's not forget about those alleged UFOs. Could they be monitoring this whole experiment? Just when you thought things couldn't get more intriguing, right? Explainable AI, also known as XAI, refers to the concept of making artificial intelligence more understandable and transparent. Traditional AI algorithms operate by taking an input and generating an output without providing any insight into how the decision was made. The goal of XAI is to bridge this gap by revealing the underlying rationale behind AI decisions in a way that humans can comprehend. In terms of industries, XAI has the potential to benefit a wide range of sectors. For instance, in finance, explainable AI can aid in making transparent and accountable decisions when it comes to lending, investment, and risk assessment. In healthcare, XAI can provide explanations for medical diagnoses and treatment decisions, improving trust and allowing for better collaboration between doctors and patients. Moving on, when it comes to AI and technology, the United States should learn from the mistakes of Europe and avoid hastily implementing regulations that could stifle innovation. Adam Kovacevic, CEO of the Chamber of Progress, emphasizes that U.S. policymakers need to take the lead, but not rush to enact regulations simply to keep up with the European Union. Instead, the U.S. should focus on establishing its own set of innovation-friendly rules and cultivating an environment that fosters AI advancement responsibly. It's important for U.S. lawmakers to recognize that being behind in regulation is not necessarily a negative thing. In fact, the US regulatory environment has fostered the growth of leading tech services, which in turn have created numerous job opportunities for Americans. Therefore, the US should approach AI regulations with a sense of pride in its accomplishments and a commitment to nurturing its position as a leader in AI. So, we have some exciting news in the world of AI and Bitcoin. Lightning Labs has introduced AI tools that enable AI applications to hold, send, and receive Bitcoin using the Lightning Network. This second-layer payment network allows for faster and cheaper Bitcoin transactions. By integrating Bitcoin micropayments with popular AI software libraries like LangChain, Lightning Labs has solved the problem of a lack of native internet-based payment mechanisms for AI platforms. This development is significant for a couple of reasons. First, it eliminates the need for outdated payment methods, reducing costs for software deployment. It also expands the range of possible AI use cases. With Lightning integrated into AI models, new applications that were previously not feasible become a reality. Moving on, Google and Stanford researchers have been making strides in the field of robotics using LLMs, or large language models. These models can complete complex token sequences, including those generated by probabilistic context-free grammars and ASCII art prompts. This capability opens up possibilities for solving robotics challenges, such as completing simple motions and discovering closed-loop policies for reward-conditioned trajectories. The applications of this research go beyond robotics. LLMs could be used to predict sequential data like stock market prices, weather data, and traffic patterns. They could also learn game strategies and generate new ones by observing sequences of moves and positions. In the realm of code generation, researchers have proposed RLTF, a reinforcement learning framework for refining LLMs. RLTF uses unit test feedback to guide the model in producing high-quality code in real time during training. This approach has shown state-of-the-art performance on code generation tasks. The significance of RLTF is that it can potentially improve LLM's performance by utilizing real-time feedback and accounting for specific error locations within the code. Previous RL methods for code generation have been limited by offline frameworks and simple unit test signals. All of these developments are pushing the boundaries of what AI can achieve in various domains, from financial transactions to robotics and code generation. It's an exciting time for AI enthusiasts and researchers alike. Hey there, let's dive into what's happening in the exciting world of AI. First up, have you heard about the incredible breakthrough with a laser pesticide and herbicide? It's a game changer, as it's AI-based and doesn't require any harmful chemicals. Talk about innovation. In other news, a wildfire detection startup called Pano AI just secured an additional $17 million in funding. This means they can continue their important work in developing technology to detect and prevent devastating wildfires. Way to go, Pano AI! Now, let's talk about some trending AI tools that will blow your mind. Ever wanted to share clips from your favorite YouTube videos? Trimmer, an AI app, can help you with that. It shortens videos into shareable clips, making it easier for creators to produce viral content. If you're into gaming and streaming, MyMod AI is a Twitch chatbot that uses AI to moderate chat and create interactive experiences with custom commands. It takes streaming to another level. And here's something fun. Comicify AI. This tool can turn boring text into cool comic strips in just 2 steps. Imagine how much fun you can have with that. But wait, there's more. We also have tools like Gremmy, which finds search trends and creates content to rank for them, and Aphie Personal Assistant, which simplifies document analysis and content creation. These AI-powered tools are changing the game when it comes to productivity and content creation. Now let's talk about 5 AI tools that have caught our eye today. Knowledge allows you to generate interactive e-learning content and assessments. Hi-Fi enables you to create customized and engaging sales videos. Coda combines text, data, and team collaboration into a single document. Lunacy utilizes AI capabilities and built-in graphics for UI/UX designs. And last but not least, Webotify allows you to develop custom AI chatbots trained on your own data. These tools are empowering individuals and teams to achieve more. That's it for today's AI Roundup. Stay tuned for more exciting updates in the world of artificial intelligence. Netflix has come up with a game changer in the world of filming. Their researchers have developed the Magenta Green Screen, MGS, a revolutionary AI technology that enhances TV and film visual effects. Unlike traditional green screen methods that often struggle with fine details and require extensive editing, the MGS uses a blend of red, blue, and green LEDs to illuminate actors, creating a distinctive magenta glow that AI can effortlessly separate from the background in real time. Additionally, the AI has the capability to adjust the magenta color to appear natural, streamlining the filming process. The significance of this development cannot be overstated. By making filming faster and rendering special effects more realistic, we can anticipate quicker show releases and more convincing scenes. Netflix's AI-driven innovation has the potential to transform the entertainment industry and significantly impact the way movies and TV shows are produced. In the medical field, Google's AI chatbot, MedPalm 2, is undergoing testing in several hospitals, including the prestigious Mayo Clinic. Built using questions and answers from medical exams, MedPalm 2 has the potential to provide reliable medical advice remotely, particularly beneficial in regions with limited access to healthcare. This advancement could revolutionize healthcare delivery, giving people access to superior medical advice when they need it most. Meanwhile, the U.S. military is harnessing the power of large language models, LLMs, to expedite decision-making processes. These AI-powered models can swiftly complete tasks that would typically take hours or days, potentially revolutionizing military operations. Lastly, Pano AI, a wildfire detection startup, recently secured $17 million in funding. Their remote controllable cameras, combined with AI algorithms, offer early warnings of wildfires, allowing emergency responders to take prompt action and reduce response time. This technology could provide a massive boost to wildfire prevention and management efforts. These latest AI developments from Netflix, Google, the US military, and Pano AI have the potential to revolutionize various industries and bring about significant positive change. Hey there, AI Unraveled podcast listeners. Got a quick announcement for you. If you're a fan of artificial intelligence and looking to level up your knowledge, there's a fantastic book you might want to check out. It's called AI Unraveled, Demystifying Frequently Asked Questions on Artificial Intelligence, written by the brilliant mind of Etienne Newman. And the best part? It's available right now on Apple, Google, and Amazon. Now let's talk about something exciting. Are you a brand or a company wanting to spread the word about your amazing products? Well, we've got a fantastic opportunity for you. How would you like to have your company or product featured on the AI Unraveled podcast? Think about the exposure that could give you. Elevate your sales today and reach a whole new audience by getting featured on our podcast. Interested? Great. Just shoot us an email or head over to jamgatech.com to learn more. Let's amplify your brand's exposure and make your products the talk of the town. Don't miss out on this fantastic chance to be part of the AI Unraveled podcast. Get in touch with us today. That's all for now, folks. Stay tuned for more fascinating conversations on the AI Unraveled podcast. On today's episode, we covered a wide range of topics, including the new Access Code Interpreter plugin with ChatGPT+, OpenAI's expansion of functionality, future trends and predictions for AI, the impact of AI on employment and the environment, everyday life concerns with AI, the plans of Inflection AI to build a supercomputing cluster, the first news conference with humanoid AI robots, the possibility of humanity being an AI experiment, explainable AI, and the need for AI regulations, AI tools using Lightning Network, exciting AI developments, and the Wondercraft AI platform for starting your own podcast. Thanks for listening to today's episode. I'll see you guys at the next one, and don't forget to subscribe.